The fast-paced, high-profile years that surrounded Gisele Bundchen's profession have given way to a new chapter in her life. Gisele, who has long been hailed as one of the world's most successful supermodels, is now leading a more purposeful life, putting her family, motherhood, and emotional equilibrium ahead of attention from the public. She and her partner Joaquim Valenche welcomed a newborn boy at the beginning of 2025, which subtly signaled a significant change in her personal life. After Benjamin and Vivian, the infant is Gisele's third child. This phase has been purposefully quiet, introspective, and private, in contrast to previous milestones that unfolded under intense public scrutiny. This indicates a distinct shift in the way she chooses to live and share her life. Her priorities and daily schedule changed when she became a mother once more. Gisele has talked about how her lifestyle has slowed down, enabling her to cherish times that used to fly early in the mornings, time spent outside, and witnessing her kids grow closer. She has characterized this time as emotionally satisfying, where presence is more important than work and thankfulness take precedence over ambition. She rarely makes public appearances these days, and when she does, it's usually through private, quiet moments rather than well-crafted public declarations. She now uses family hikes, time spent in nature, and serene moments at home to connect with her audience. These moments always convey the same message: this chapter is more about being totally present than it is about accomplishment. After her divorce from Tom Brady, she had a private connection with Joaquim Valenche. What started out as a friendship eventually developed into a partnership built on respect for one another, common values, and a dedication to family life and well-being. Gisele's need for stability and balance is completed by Valenche, a Brazilian jiu-jitsu instructor who is frequently perceived as a grounding presence. The couple decided to get married in a modest private ceremony later in 2025. They chose to have a small get-together with close family, including their kids, instead of a huge public celebration. The choice reflected their larger way of living together, which was intentional, intimate, and distinct from the expectations that are frequently placed on prominent people. Gisele's perspective has also changed because of being a mother at this point in her life. Although taking care of a newborn can be taxing, she has admitted that the experience feels more profound and significant than before. Time seems more valuable, and obstacles are seen as opportunities for improvement and thankfulness. She and Tom Brady continue to respectfully and fairly co-parent their older children at the same time. Gisele has demonstrated a dedication to harmony rather than division within a blended family by emphasizing the significance of providing a stable and caring home for each of her children. Gisele has been transparent about putting healing and clarity first since her divorce in 2022. Every subsequent action seems to have been influenced by that decision. Her life now is more in line with who she is than what was anticipated of her during her most public years. A woman who has transitioned from survival mode to a phase of emotional fulfillment is suggested by recent reflections. Gisele Bundchen's story is no longer motivated by fashion trends or hectic schedules as she looked to the future. Rather, it is molded by motherhood, marriage, and the peaceful self-assurance that results from living her life as she sees it. Choosing privacy over performance, starting a family with Joaquim Valenche, and welcoming a baby boy all signify a deliberate and obvious progression rather than a regression.